Welcome to Chapter 4, AI in Everyday Life. Today, we are launching Section 1, The Invisible Layer, recognizing the AI all around you. Artificial intelligence is already woven into the ordinary apps, devices, commutes, and entertainment routines you navigate from the moment you wake up. We will break down this invisible layer in 3 steps. First, we define what everyday AI actually means. Second, we will map out a normal day to spot it in action. And third, we will uncover the recurring pattern behind it all. Let's start with subsection 1.1, what everyday AI really means. Mention artificial intelligence and people immediately picture a talking robot or an all-knowing supercomputer pulled straight out of a science fiction movie. In reality, everyday AI is far more ordinary. It is not a single giant brain. It operates as a vast collection of small, disconnected systems. Almost everything you use is what we call narrow AI. This means the system is built as a strict specialist, designed to perform one specific task exceptionally well. A music app recommends excellent songs, but cannot map out driving directions. A phone's face unlock recognizes your features, but cannot sort your daily email. Each tool stays completely within its own lane. There is a common myth that you would instantly know if you were using an artificial intelligence tool because it would be an obvious feature you actively turn on. Instead, most of these systems are invisible by design. They operate quietly in the background, working so smoothly that you rarely notice them. That seamless design makes our apps easy to use, but it comes with a cost. When technology disappears into the background, it is easy to forget how heavily we rely on it, and exactly how much of our personal data it requires to function. Subsection 1.2, a day in your AI-assisted life. The simplest way to expose this invisible technology is to walk through a completely normal routine and name the AI every time it silently activates. This timeline tracks a typical day. You wake up and glance at your phone. A computer vision model verifies your face to unlock it. You check the weather. Machine learning models analyze atmospheric data to predict the chance of rain. By midday, you open a social app and a recommendation system dictates which posts appear at the top of your feed. You open your inbox, where a spam filter has already identified and removed phishing attempts. Moving into your evening commute, a navigation app predicts traffic patterns and reroutes you around delays, while a streaming app predicts exactly which songs you want to hear next. None of these interactions feel like consulting a robot. They just feel like normal technology doing its job. That is exactly why you have to actively train yourself to spot narrow AI hidden in plain sight. Try this with your own routine. Pause and list 10 ways you use artificial intelligence in a typical day without realizing it. For each one, name the app and define the single, narrow task it performs. Review your list. Ask yourself which examples surprised you the most, and which everyday tools you had never considered to be AI before. Once you see the sheer volume of these daily touchpoints, a natural question arises. How do so many completely different apps all manage to operate so effectively? That brings us to 1.3, the pattern behind it all. On the surface, a spam filter and a music recommendation engine look entirely different, but beneath the surface, they are driven by the exact same mechanism, an algorithm. This is simply a step-by-step set of instructions a computer follows to make a decision. This diagram maps out the 3-step loop. Step 1, collect data. It gathers signals from your behavior. Step 2, make a prediction by analyzing patterns. Step 3, personalize the result. Your reaction creates new data, feeding directly back into Step 1. Because this loop runs continuously, apps appear to get to know you over time without requiring manual programming. It also explains why a brand new account on any platform feels generic. The system simply hasn't gathered enough data to make accurate predictions yet. To summarize our roadmap, everyday AI operates as a team of narrow specialists rather than a single supermind. And all of those specialists run on a relentless loop of collecting data, making predictions, and personalizing results. Recognizing this repeating cycle provides the essential foundation for the rest of this chapter. It empowers you to look at any app and ask critical questions. Exactly what data is this system collecting about me, and who truly benefits from the personalized results?